what happened, I wouldn't be ignorance.
Some say ignorance is bliss.
For a man with an interest, some may say obsession, with the secret truth kept hidden behind historical events, that's a really weird thing to say. I don't need consolation. I need answers from that fat chump. Get out of the car, Ron! Anytime... Speak!
You know I don't like choosing these things. They're listening.
You know it.
Trevor, you're still banned. He's my goddamn husband.
He's young enough to be... This is us. Chef, we're just coming down to see the kitchen.
You can't get here quick enough. The Aztecas are coming. They think you took out Ortega.
They ain't mistaken.
Well, get down here and take them out, too.
You sure your boss don't want this crank for his own personal consumption?
No, Mr. Cheng Sr. is very specific. He wants a good, reliable source of methamphetamine. We will buy from you here and distribute using established networks.
I'm worried that might dilute what our operation's all about. We're part of the slow meth movement, bioregional, locavores only.
Mr. Cheng Sr. has much money.
I wouldn't be the first man to throw morals out the window for a paycheck.
他说什么？他说他期待与我们做生意。
Shit, Trevor. We ain't got long.
Whoa, manners, chef. These are our guests, all right? We got Mr. Cheng and his humble servant.
Got long till they get here.
Everything in its time, all right. Gentlemen, please, come check out the storage facilities. Go on. Nice, right?
Oh,
there you go. Ample room inside. Mr. Cheng, please, sir, if you will.
Let me out!
Tour will recommence shortly, gentlemen.
Should we get the guns?
Yes, chef.
Help me!
If I knew we were having visitors, would have that little spring clean.
They really want you dead?
We gotta do something! They're through the gate!
Out, you cocksuckers!
They'll be up here any second! Watch out! Your cuck's about to get it, T!
I gotta have the whole crew here! This what you came for? I'm starting to think they really want to kill me!
They're coming around back! Get in cover!
This is a place of business!
Come over here, man! I got a better weapon for you! Horrible!
Look out!
I'm changing map!
I think it's time for the Aztecas to die out!
What the?
Now I really am gonna put you out of business!
Dropping like flies, eh?
Get off my property!
What the fuck?
It's eating into our cooking time! I think they're coming through the shop! Let's get to the front!
Yes, chef!
Get behind here! They're coming in!
He took
I'm entertaining clients!
We've got them on the back foot! Come on! Stay off our turf!
Get back inside and clean up the lab! We gotta let our potential business partners out of the ice chest. Yeah, all right. Time to recommence the tour, gentlemen.
I think we have seen quite enough. 改正，
但是还没有到5次嘛！
I'll swing by and sign the contracts, all right? Just ignore the bodies.
Hey, Trevor, are we still gonna cook that batch?
Fuck yeah!
Okay.
Fool, you're a blind fucking fool!
You're gonna meet a bitch, that's where you're gonna meet one, you know what I'm saying?
Hey.
Give me a sip of that.
What?
Come on! My throat's dry as a motherfucker.
Why? Is your mother dry when you're...
What the fuck is that, huh?
Nothing. Nothing. Buy it, old man.
Old man? Old man!
Fuck you, you creepy old motherfucker. That's right. I said it. Creepy. Old. Motherfucker!
No! Jesus.
Huh?
No, come on.
What?
Sorry.
Now, where
sorry.
were we
Come on,
exactly,
get up, dude.
huh?
Get up. We're sorry, man. We're sorry.
Help me! Help! There's a guy with a gun!
Shithead!
Are you crazy?
Nobody talks about my mother! Jesus! Any more of you inbred hicks? Old man? Well, how's this for an old man?
Asshole! Get cover!
You couldn't keep your mouth shut, could ya? Am I creepy now? Am I? I gotta reload! Fool, you're a fine fucking fool!
A reckless driver on Marina Drive to Alamo.
Wonderful. Yeah, my tax dollar's hard at work. Oh, shit! What's going on, Ron?
They were here for you. Here for you.
Who was here?
Them bikers. After you killed Johnny K.
And they damage my stuff, huh? They smash up my home. Look at this statue here of impotent rage, this fucking meant more to me than Johnny K meant to anyone, and they smashed it. Those pathetic midlife crisis, hog-riding, shaven-headed, fruity leather, chapped-wearing fucking assholes.
They're assholes, Trevor. They are. They're chap-wearing assholes.
Wait, you little shit. Whoa. Hey, Michael fucking Townley, right? Bitch wife, 2 kids, 45. Find him?
Los Santos is a big place, Trevor. There's lots of people.
You are fucking useless! Huh? Find out who did that fucking robbery, all right? And if Michael Townley lives there, or anyone matching his description, I'm gonna kill you and your fucking cousin! Am I being clear now?
Yes, Trevor.
Thank you, Wade. Now smile. Yeah, right? That's better. Run along. Now, Ron, shall we go? I cannot believe that they fucking destroyed my statue of impotent rage. The cheek, huh? The fucking cheek of it. I gotta swing by ammunition. Go to Sandy Shores Airfield, check it out.
Come in!
I'll come in your ear when I get a hold of you.
Oh, what are you buying at the gun shop?
I'm not buying anything. I need a sniper rifle with a high-power scope. They say they support local business. Well, we're about to find out if that's true. Melvin! How you feel? Industries.
Forward another fire.
That sniper on your wall looks like it'll do the job. She'll do nicely. You got a scope and a suppressor for this? Okay, there's the scope. All right, now, stop selling weapons to that half-wit Cletus. All right, you got a scope for me? Ron, I got the gun. Meet me at the water tower just north of the airfield.
Roger that, Trevor. But you gotta look out, because there's bikers all over this airstrip.
Of course there are! 2 planes are touching down at the field on a weapons run. We're gonna wait till the right time and appropriate them.
We are?
Yes, we are!
Did I get it wrong? I'm waiting at the water tower.
I'm up here. I don't see the hardware, but I do see a hell of a lot of bikers.
We gotta wait till you can slip in there unnoticed. Should give you the time to plan a route. Enough waiting. This is your moment, Ronald. Whenever you get a doubt in your mind, I want you to remember that I'm watching you through the scope of a high-powered rifle.
Right, Trevor. Right. Got it.
Now, relax. The ATV can only take you so far. Park it and don't let them spot you.
Can you see me, Trevor? Over by the road.
You wouldn't believe this, Ron. One of these assholes is having a seizure or something.
That's me! That's me! Don't shoot!
Well, get a move on.
I'm moving! Just keep me covered, okay? Trevor.
You want me to shoot you in the behind? Hurry up, will ya?
Shit! I hear an engine! They're gonna see that guy you shot! Maybe if you shoot those lights on the tower, he won't be so obvious! Please, just get him out!
There's one, and there's the other.
You got him! Now don't shoot the guy in the van until he stops and gets out. They're on to us! The alarm's been raised!
The ATV can only take you so far. Park it and don't let them spot you.
Can you see me, Trevor? Trevor? You see me?
You wouldn't believe this, Ron. One of these assholes is having a seizure or something.
That's me! That's me! Don't shoot!
Saw a guy by the tower. I shot him. Now keep moving. Hurry it up, Ronnie.
You hear that? I can hear an engine. They'll see that body.
You can relax because lights are out already.
Good. Well, don't shoot the guy in the van until he stops and gets out, okay?
Hurry it up, Ron. You're making me wish I brought the guy in the clown face.
Hold fire. We gotta see what he's up to. I think he's just calling the dead guy. You can erase him now. He's out of the van now. Do him. You should have seen the look on his face. Wait. A guy came out of the control tower. Get him quick. You gonna take him?
Woo! Down he goes.
Oh no! Bottom of the tower. Another guy's on his way. Clean shot, Trev. Another guy's coming out of the tower. Must be looking for the one you shot.
So long, sailor.
Can you get your sights back on me? Come on, man!
I got you in my sights, so get a move on and plant that bomb on the gas tank.
I'm on it, but there's a guy coming out of that building, I think. I can hear him. Someone's coming out the far door, man! Shoot! The guy had a buddy in the building! He's coming out! Good kill, Trevor! I'm fitting it! Just keep a lookout! And watch out for the tank! It'll go up if you hit it! I think someone's coming! Shit! Shit! He's on to me! He's coming over here! A bolt from the blue! Can you hear that? Chopper! Incoming!
Always hated that chopper. Just fucking...
The pilot plan didn't work, but they know they're being attacked.
Going nowhere. You fucking prick! Shit! Rob! Get it back! Rob, back! Way out now.
There! In the hangar! The plane! I'll get it started if you can clear the runway. I don't see none of the guys who came to your trailer here!
other.
They got Charlie!
Hey, where were we?
I think I saw a man void his bowels.
Happens to the best of us. Now start that plane.
Not funny. Get in the plane, Trevor.
Plane's loaded up with crates, Trevor!
The guns must be on the plane down the end of the runway.
Be careful, Trevor!
Let's go, Ronald! Get me to my plane, Rod! Oh. Time to trigger those explosives on that gas tanker!
Blowing that bomb would probably help us out some.
Come on! Let's go, let's go! Vamos, go! Get me to that plane! Back up, brother!
Look out, they're coming from the left. Watch our right side.
Let's go, Ronald! Get me to my plane, Rod! Shit! Is this one for you, permit jump pricks? Suppose there's room for a passenger?
And the van, look out!
I told my contact to meet us just off the coast.
Hey, there's a biker on your wing, Trevor.
I am aware of this.
Well, you gotta get him off. Do a roll or something.
While the man on my wing presents no immediate danger, I'll do my best to oblige you.
He's still there. Shit, Trevor, you can't get him off. That guy is clinging on. So, who might this buyer be?
There's only two places this kind of hardware is gonna go.
And they are?
Up north to our Canadian cousins, where the lost were likely to be sending them. Or our other neighbors, those in the south, our Mexican brethren.
I'd assume you got all kinds of connections in Canada.
Why would you make an assumption like that?
It's obvious.
Why is it obvious? Spell it out for me before I order you to fly that plane into a mountain.
Because of where you used to operate. Weren't you pulling scores in North Yankton and running cargo over the border?
Oh. Yeah. Yeah, sure I was.
There's a flare in the water. I'm guessing it's them.
It better be. Drop your load.
Military base coming up. Fly low. We don't want to show on their radar. They got him!
Shipment successfully delivered, Ron. Now remember, if you beat me to the airstrip, I'll butcher your carcass and wrap you in cheesecloth.
You wouldn't really do that to me, would you?
Beat me and you'll see.
I ain't a trained Air Force pilot like you. I can just about get where I'm going, but I don't got much choice over whether it's fast or slow.
Then get better at it, or fly through a barn.
Would a barn slow me down?
Yeah, it might do. Or it might kill you instead.
I'm just gonna fly normal, and I'll rely on you getting there quicker.
You're braver than I thought.
Stay low over those wetlands, boss. So the guns are going to Mexico?
Mexico! Yep. Guy in the boat is Oscar Guzman. He's in with the cartels.
If there's a market, this could be a way to expand the business.
Like I hadn't thought of that. We might be able to buy into Oscar's thing, but leave that to me, Ron.
I'm sorry to ask this, but does your contact pay well for this kind of shipment? Because I've got those lawyer fees for the divorce and my settlement costs.
Oh, he pays. Better than any in this sorry country.
That's good to hear, man.
We'll talk about the exact split when we're grounded, okay?
All right, T. You see, Trevor? You won. You're the better man. As if there was any doubt.
I think that was adequate restitution for my impotent rage statue.
That was a mighty fine statue, Trev.
That was a mighty fine piece of plastic shit. But there is no price for emotional attachment. I mean, you might forego your cut to alleviate my heartache.
I might? Yeah, I mean, I will. Good idea.
We don't have time to dwell on that now, because we got more runs, Ron. If there is one thing that they need south of that big fence, it is guns.
Trevor Phillips Industries! Technical expertise, managerial innovations, unstoppable!
Oh, that's right. Now go. I need to meditate. Or masturbate. Or both. For fuck's sakes!
There you are, handsome.
Hello, Maud.
How have you been?
Oh, simply wonderful. And you?
About the same. Somewhere stuck between joyful and peachy. Even in this world full of scum and detritus, it's only right that we all bear our share.
Ain't that the truth?
Take this poor wretch, on the run, desperate, alone, about to learn the true meaning of suffering, all for a few $1,000. Think you can find him for me?
Every man has his talents, Maud, and the rigorous administration of justice is one of mine.
That's why I love you, Trevor. I'll send you his file.
Not fucking see me! What you up to, Cletus?
I got just a thing. Let's raise some hell, neighbor.
Oh, I'm in.
I'll introduce you to one of my all-time favorite pastimes. You're gonna love this. Okay, you see them 3 big satellite dishes? A decent shot, and they'll go down easier than a whore's drawers.
You're a real pillar of the community.
Half the folks in this town would sell their own mother, and most of the other half already dead. Screw them. Yeah, that's it. Give them hell. Shoot another one. No more reality TV for you, Mrs. Gilbert. Okay, one more for the road. Boom! Didn't I tell you this would be more fun than a barrel full of pussies?
Ooh, you're a classy date, Cletus.
Why are you getting all ornery?
So, what now?
We're gonna try our luck on something less stationary.
Ooh, liberals?
Nothing as slippery as that. You'll see. Well, we'll take your vehicle then.
You've got way too much time on your hands.
Nah, this is just a bit of foolery. I've been busier than hell with the real hunting. The money in wild organic meat these days, you wouldn't believe. Them hipsters will give you their parents' last dime for it. It's gotten so I can't even keep up with the demand no more. All this eat local, small batch, farm-to-table bullshit. You know, I could maybe use another pair of hands if I can get you up to snuff with that rifle. Here we are. I bet you never shut out the tires on a car before?
Oh, you'd be surprised.
Well, let's see what you got then.
Ain't you gonna shoot anything, Cletus?
Nah, I do this all the time, and I want to see how you deal with a moving target. This is perfect right here. Pick a car and shoot a tire. Good plain old-fashioned fun. Ain't as easy as it looks, is it? Nice! Go on, one more, just for the hell of it. That's it, beauty! And again, Trevor. Now That was some damn fine shooting, Trevor. Right, let's change it up. Come on, follow me. What? Just two fellers killing time in small town America. Don't get much better than this, does it?
The two most popular guys in town.
Am I glad I ran into you? Ain't nowhere near this fun being antisocial on your own.
Whatever cranks your tractor, I say. What's up next on the hillbilly anarchist agenda?
Ever shot anything with a face? Actually, let me ask it again. Ever shot anything with a face on 4 legs?
Now, Cletus, it's important you realize I'm a man plagued by vicious rumors.
Fine. Let's head for the roof. I seen some coyotes hanging around. Reckon it would be real neighborly of us to get rid of a couple.
And we are nothing if not neighborly.
We'll get a better shot from up here. All right, I see him. Looks like we got 2 packs of coyotes down there. Take a few of them out, and the rest should scatter. Ha! Sing to me now, song dog, and another. Hellfire! Gotta line them up good. You're just spooking them. Dropped it like a bad habit. I think you got one more in you, Trevor. Give me strength. That should do it. Nicely done. I reckon you should tag along next time I go hunting out at Paleto Bay. I'll show you how to bag an elk.
Why not?
All right, gotta go. I'll send you a text when I'm about. Don't get your panties
Just
in the
reload
water
it.
now.
You sure as shit are...
Spreadsheet. Let's head outside.
Trevor Phillips.
Elwood O'Neill! Fuck you! Fuck you! Fuck you! Fuck you!
Trevor, it's business.
That wide-eyed idiot was mine!
It's business, fella. You want to discuss it? We're at the farm. Ernie, Earl, Walton, Wynn, Dale, Doyle, Darrell, Dan, all of us.
Start writing those names on tombstones 'Cause I'm on the way to your lab and we're gonna see how much of a family meth business you got when I'm done! They're dead, all of them, inbred hillbilly twats! How many brothers you got, you inbred freaks? I don't know how I'm gonna do it, but I'll kill the lot of you, and I'll torch your cookhouse. I'm coming for you! Take over time!
You fucking asshole!
How about a merger, you pricks? Let's see if we can't cut you down to size. Here I come, you pricks!
Keep him out of the lab!
It's over!
Son of a bitch! You're in our house now. Don't let him down here! Shit! He's in the lab!
Well, look at this! Come on! Nothing but a smoldering fucking wreck! Everything you built, see how it feels? Gas in a meth lab? Oh, you're gonna burn, you idiots! Where are you gone, fuckers? I'm gonna burn it to the ground! See what's left when I'm done. Burn, you disrespectful pricks! You're never gonna win that, little guy. Get back here! You're not even hidden! Have you got it?
I've been trying, Trevor. I've been trying.
Come on over here, all right? I ain't gonna hit you.
I've been trying.
I know, I know.
I thought you said you wasn't gonna hit me.
I thought you said you were gonna find fucking Michael Townley.
There's two Michael Townleys living in LS. One is 83, and the other one is at kindergarten. I asked the teacher to put him on the phone just to be safe, but she threatened to call the cops. I ain't no molester, Trevor.
Shut up before I molest you, all right? Now, is there anything else?
I looked through the phone directory. I did find a Michael DeSanta. About the right age, married with 2 kids.
What's his wife's name?
Amanda?
Amanda!
Yeah.
You're a genius, you moron! Come on, come here! Woo! Don't you ever not tell me things I want to know!
Sorry, Trevor.
Run, you little bastard! Get out here! We're going to Los Santos!
Are we?
Not you, me and Wade.
What about me?
You're CEO of Trevor Phillips Enterprises. Find us some business so that we can make some money. And tidy my shit up. Let's go, Wade, come on. I'm driving. You can jerk me off if I get bored. I'm joking. You can suck me off.
Are we gonna stop for ice cream? Los Santos then?
Soon. I gotta make a stop.
Oh, what's the stop? Ice cream?
Where are your people at in Los Santos?
It's just my cousin there, Floyd. He's bunked in with his girlfriend someplace called Vespucci Beach. So, what's the stop?
Family's important, Wade. Not as important as the man that's employed you, mentored you, and fed you amphetamines this last year, but it's important. We gotta pay this cousin a visit.
I ain't seen him in a while, Trevor.
All the more reason to drop by.
Okay, that might be nice, but where are we stopping on the way? Cause, you know, I'm getting kind of wet over here.
For fuck's sakes! Another chapter of the lost descended on this fine town, looking to mourn, maybe revenge their dead. I was thinking me and you could pay our respects.
Trevor, I don't think we'd be welcome there. I mean, what do you want to, well, send them on their way to begin with?
Grief has a beautiful way of bringing folk together, Wade. Camp's up here. I'll wait till dark before I drop in again.
The assholes here, they slipped. Ice took a hold of this whole place.
You're lost, but you are not forgotten, brothers. We'll find that motherfucker.
I got you them bombs and that pistol with the thing that makes it quiet on it.
Yeah, I took them. Those are my gifts for these pricks. Wait here. Don't get killed.
I'll try not to get killed.
Identify yourself. It's you. You're back, you creepy fuck.
Put him in the ground, people!
I gotta get my eyes checked.
Sorry, freak. You ain't going nowhere.
Time to hit the road, Wadey. Los Santos, here we come.
That go okay? I heard lots of banging and screaming, but then not the next time.
Yeah, it went good, Wade. We don't have to think about the loss no more. Let's go find my old buddy.
This Michael Townley guy must have pissed you off real bad for you to want to find him so much.
He didn't piss me off. The guys that killed him, the federal government, they pissed me off.
But if he's dead, who's this?
Now you're starting to grasp the pertinent questions. Who is this guy using my dead friend's tired-ass movie quotes? With my dead friend's alias? And my dead friend's family? In a house that must have been paid for with my dead friend's stashed millions?
Wow, that's a real mindfuck.
Yeah, I'll show you a fucking mindfuck. I'm gonna stick my boy in your eye. It's gonna come out of your ear, huh?
I didn't mean anything by that, T. Trevor?
Lube up your eye hole, fucker, because I'm gonna fuck your tiny mind, huh? I'm about ready to turn you into roadkill.
Please, don't turn me into anything. I just want to be Wade. Are we nearly there yet?
No, Wade.
Are we nearly there?
You keep this up, you're not gonna get there at all.
Can you tell me a story?
No, Wade.
Let's play a game then. You know animal, mineral, or vegetable? I'll go first. I'm nanotechnology.
You're what?
Ooh, damn it. I gave it away. I wasn't supposed to say what I...
That
Trevor!
is beyond annoying.
I wasn't supposed to say what I am. I'll start again. Animal, vegetable, or mineral?
Hey, how about this? I'll tell you a story if you promise never to speak again.
I like stories.
Of course you do. This story's about a boy called Trisha.
Is Trisha a boy's name?
It doesn't matter.
Sounds weird.
He was weird. He was the smartest, toughest, weirdest kid in Canada. Well, in the Canadian border region of America.
Okay.
This boy, he had all the talent, charisma, and guile that a boy could have, but he didn't know what to do with it.
He should become a baseball player.
No, he shouldn't, because he's not a fucking sellout idiot.
Or hockey player.
He did for a while, but his coach accidentally had a stick jammed up his ass. That's it. That giant sprawl. Los Santos.
Oh! Get! So, this is Los Santos.
I guess it is.
I always wanted to come here.
But you got stuck in the desert.
It's still San Andreas.
Best part of the state. So, Michael, this is where dead men come back to life. It's been nearly 10 years, but you'll keep for another day or so, huh, old friend? You motherfucking fuck! I grieved for you! You weren't even fucking dead. You were my best friend. Well, guess who's coming to shit on your doorstep, you fuck!
I thought we were going to my cousin.
Los Santos, the city of shitheads. Where else would he be?
It's Vespucci Beach where he's staying. Will you tell me the story about that boy, Trisha?
Ah, yeah. Where were we? Right. So, this kid, he could fly planes. So, he signed up for the Air Force to fly all day long and bomb villages and maybe, just maybe, drop the nuke. And it was all going well until one day, just before he got his wings, an evil witch in charge of psychological evaluations told him he was unstable and grounded him for life.
That's terrible.
It was. Sent him to a deep pit of doubt. Despair. And just then, just as he hit rock bottom, he met a fat, silver-tongued troll under a bridge.
That's cool. What was the troll's name?
Michelle.
A lady troll?
Yeah, he had tits like one, but no, he was a boy.
Michelle is a funny name for a boy.
Well, this was a funny boy. He sat under his bridge, robbing anyone who passed him by. Sometimes he'd go into town and rob the shops and inns and such. And he persuaded our hero that maybe he should rob people too. And you know what? Little Trisha did rob people, and little Trisha was good at it.
And they lived happily ever after?
For a while. Until the troll met another troll in a strip club, and they fell in lust. And he bought her a pair of fake troll tits, even bigger than his real... Fool, you're a blind fucking fool. Even bigger than his real troll tits, so she could make more money stripping. Maybe a little on the side without call work, but you didn't hear that from me.
Wow.
And then she pushed out a pair of little trolls, and the big bad troll under the bridge went soft.
Hold on, what?
So little Trevor made a new friend called Brad, and he was thinking about cutting Mike off when it all went to shit, and Mike got killed and Brad went to jail.
Did all the names just change, or am I missing something?
Shut up! And then the fat ugly troll came back from the dead, and the news picked it up. Our hero decided to go out looking for him.
I'm sort of following it, I think. But what happens in the end?
That, Wade, we do not know.
That should do the trick. New brakes installed. You got great taste. If that car was a woman, I'd kiss her. Look, it's sharp. That's a beauty right there. This'll give you some more zip. There, that should give you a boost. Now that's a custom job. You got great taste.
We're near Floyd's house. I seen it on iPhone maps. I'll give you directions. Just straight over this one. It's straight here. This one go left. You don't turn here. The website said the other way. This one's a right. Just keep on a minute. This is the place. I think it is, at least. Floyd! Up here, Trevor. Floyd, it's me, Wade.
Who?
Me, Wade, your cousin.
Who?
Your cousin! Fuck! He's come to visit you, you rude fuck. Now get up off the floor and fix me a fucking drink.
Oh, you, wait. I heard you was off smoking meth somewhere.
No, not somewhere. Here. He's gonna smoke meth here. Give me a fucking lighter.
You can't smoke here.
Okay.
This is my girlfriend's place. She's at a business conference. You can't smoke here and you can't stay here.
How's it going, cousin? It's been a while.
Yeah, I ain't seen you since you was caught in Evelyn's bed.
That was never proved.
You gotta go.